Good morning, you all. Hello, this is Dr. Gunamani Jana, Principal of Roland Institute of Technology, and you are welcome to the orientation program for first batch of Diploma RIT 2026-27. You can see the newly constructed diploma block where four branches of diploma are going to start with effect from 21st August 2026. Our founder chairman, late Dr. J. Surya Rao, he was a doctor by profession and the visionary founder of the Roland Educational and Charitable Trust. He had his MBBS from NGM Medical College, Jamshedpur, and since then committed himself to the cause of education and community service. You find our chairperson, Srimati J. Jayalakshmi, madam, and she stands as a distinguished edupreneur with over 3 decades of transformative leadership in the educational sector. As one of the founding members of the Roland Educational and Charitable Trust, Berhampur, she has been instrumental in shaping the institution's vision and mission. Born on October 10, 1954, she holds a master's degree in economics and public administration, bringing a unique blend of academic excellence and administrative acumen to her role. Our Honorable Director and Management members and BOS members, Dr. Jayasruti completed her B Pharma from Berhampur University, followed by M Pharma in 2008 from BPUT. She was awarded a PhD in 2014 along with the prestigious Inspire Fellowship sponsored by DST, Government of India. She received gold medals from BPUT for both B Pharma as well as M Pharma. Berhampur University honored her with the Bhaiga Mahanti Memorial Gold Medal for academic excellence. Among her accolades is the Professor M.L. Khurana Memorial Award by the IPA. And to the right side, Dr. Sunil Kumar Kota is the Honorable Management Member. He is MBBS and MD in Medicine, DRNB, Endocrinology Consultant, Endocrinologist and Diabetes, Thyroid Super Specialist, Swasthya Sadan Berhampur. Our Honorable Management Member, Engineer Jamula Somya, BE in Electronics, MTech Electronics, and pursuing PhD, and also an alumnus from this very institute. The right side you find Dr. Jagdish Tangudu is BE, ME, and MS in IIS Bangalore, and PhD in the University of Wisconsin, Madison, USA. He's working as a scientist in USA. As principal, Professor Gunamani Jana, master degree in engineering from NIT Rourkela and PhD, is a distinguished academician and an administrator holding the Fellow of Institution of Engineers and being a senior member of IEEE. His leadership fosters an innovative and inclusive learning environment at Roland Institute of Technology. With a deep commitment to academic excellence and student empowerment, he bridges theoretical knowledge with real-world applications. Under his guidance, students are encouraged to develop technical proficiency alongside ethical responsibility and leadership. Our strength and the pillars of RIT, the heads of various departments, Professor Dr. Sanat Kumar Patra, he is MTech, PhD, and is Professor and Head of Electrical Engineering Department, and Professor Dr. Sunil Kumar Sahu, BTech and MTech, Computer Science, PhD, and he is working the Head of Computer Science and Engineering Department. Professor Rakesh Ranjan Pillai, MTech pursuing PhD, Head of Mechanical Engineering Department, and also spokesperson for BPUT as well as AICT. Engineer Ramakant Chaudhary, MTech and pursuing PhD, Head of Civil Engineering Department, and Professor Gauri Shankar Panda, MTech and pursuing PhD and Head of Electrical Engineering Department, Electrical Electronics Engineering Department, and Professor P.K. Rath is the MCA, MTech and pursuing PhD, is the Head of MCA Department. Similarly, Engineer Kunja Bihari Nanda, the MTech and pursuing PhD, is the Head of EC Department. Professor Dr. Sujata Panda, MSc Mathematics, PhD and Head of Basic Science Department. Dr. Santanu Kumar Das is MBA, PhD and DSc and Head of MBA Department. Mr. Santanu Sahu is the Training Placement Officer, and Mr. Dr. S.C. Chaini, MA, PhD, and is the Head of Research Development and Consultancy and Entrepreneur Development Center. And our teaching staffs, Mr. Shiva Prasad Sethi, MTech in Computer Science, Assistant Professor in the Diploma stream. Ms. Mukabila Parvati, MA in English, the Assistant Professor. Mrs. Priti Kishwari Patra, MA English, Assistant Professor. Ms. Damini Sethi, MSc Physics, Assistant Professor. Ms. Shalini Satpathy, MSc Chemistry, Assistant Professor. Mr. Himanshu Shekhar Panda, Civil Engineering. Mr. Anil Kumar Kar, MSc Mathematics, Assistant Professor, Mathematics. Mr. Ishwar Chandra Sahu, MSc Mathematics, Assistant Professor, Basic Science. Mr. Nilamadhav Sahu, Mechanical Engineering Department, Assistant Professor. Mr. S.K. Sahu, Electrical Engineering, Assistant Professor, Diploma stream. Ms. Sohani Naik, MCA, Assistant Professor. Mr. Arup Kumar Naik, BA, is the yoga instructor. Mr. Pramod Kumar Swami, MCA, Assistant Professor and looking after the admissions. And Ms. Simran Raut, Lab Assistant in Electrical Engineering Department. In addition to them, the non-teaching staffs or the supporting staffs, Ms. G. Mohini Patra, she is the junior accountant looking at the office superintendent and accounts. Mr. Vibhudatta Pandit become junior assistant of exams. Mrs. Hira Sethi is the attender. Coming to the infrastructure, we have very good infrastructures like the communication skill English lab with oral software and all brand new systems and newly set up labs, applied physics lab, applied chemistry lab, computing and AI lab, engineering workshop practice in mechanical block, engineering graphics, mechanical block, recently a new engineering drawing that is done, fundamentals of electrical electronics engineering lab, engineering mechanics lab, sports and yoga regularly conducted on Saturdays. Diploma education in India, Odisha. Diploma education in Odisha provides skill-oriented and industry-focused technical education. Generally, after completion of class 10, this is designed to develop technicians and supervisors for industries, infrastructure development, manufacturing, construction, electrical and electronic sectors, IT, mining, automobile, and other emerging areas. This also provides an important pathway for students who wish to pursue higher technical education. A diploma holder can seek employment or proceed to BTech through lateral entry. Normally, entering the third semester subject to applicable admission rule. Odisha's official diploma information specially recognizes both ITI to diploma and polytechnic to degree lateral entry pathways. That is the SAMS Odisha. This you can refer. Then engineering schools statistics. If you look at here, there are 150 engineering schools or polytechnics in the year 2025, and it is increased to 160 in the year 2026. And government added, that is 35 in the 2025, it is 34. Private, it is 115 in the year 2025, and in 2026 it is 126. Approved annual intakes in the year 2025, it was 46,670, and in the year 2026 it is 56,801 candidate is the approved annual intake. Then the disciplines, there are 35 disciplines both 2025 and 2026 for various diploma streams. If you look at the technical authority, there are two important levels of regulations. One is the AICT, All India Council for Technical Education. AICT establishes the national norms and standards for technical institutions and approves technical education institution courses as applicable. Then SCT and VT, Odisha, is the State Council for Technical Education and Vocational Training. It is the principal state level academic and examination authority for diploma education in Odisha, and diploma courses in the state are affiliated to SCT and VT, Odisha, and the council conducts a diploma examinations and awards diploma certificates after successful completion of the final examination. This is the SAMS Odisha, you can refer. And the Directorate of Technical Education and Training, DTET, Odisha, it exercises administrative control over government polytechnics, engineering schools under the Department of Skill Development and Technical Education, Government of Odisha. You can refer in the SAMS Odisha. Then the structure is like this. For a prospectus, the structure can be represented as under the Government of Odisha, the Department of Skill Development and Technical Education. Under that, the Directorate of Technical Education and Training, DTET, Odisha. Under that, it is functioning the STE and VT Odisha, that is Academic Examination and Affiliation Framework. Under that, the government and private polytechnics schools, AICT approves the National Regulatory Approval Framework. Then coming to the importance of diploma education in Odisha, diploma education has particular importance because it provides employment oriented technical skills after 10x, after class 10, and it produces technicians and skilled manpower required by industries. It provides a relatively shorter route to technical employment. It enables lateral entry into BTech or BE for eligible diploma holders, supports entrepreneurship and self-employment, provides opportunities in manufacturing, construction, infrastructure, power mining, IT, and service sectors. It helps meet the skilled manpower requirement of Odisha's rapidly developing industrial economy. Then coming to the central placement cell, the Odisha systems also has central placement cell under DT&T, while individual diploma institutions have their training and placement cell, and in RIT we have our own placement cell headed by Professor Sahu, Santanu Sahu. The official diploma information lists recruitment opportunities in industries and organizations across manufacturing, infrastructure, steel, mining, automobile, and other sectors. You can refer some Odisha. Then coming to the approval and applications, Roland Institute of Technology, located at Surya Vihar, Golantara, Barampur, with pin code 761008 Odisha, it offers diploma program, and the prospectus it is 2026-27 what you see now, and the quality is our passion. It is approved by AICT New Delhi and affiliated to SCT and VT Odisha. Then coming to the diploma program at RIT, we have four branches. One is the diploma in civil engineering with 60 intake, so covering the various infrastructures such as building, roads, bridges, water supply systems, drainage system, and other public infrastructure. And a student can choose a career in construction, infrastructure, road and highways, building projects, surveying, water resources, government departments, private construction companies, and also entrepreneurship. Coming to the mechanical engineering department, so we provide them knowledge in machines, manufacturing, production, thermal engineering, automobile technology, CAD/CAM, and industrial systems. And the students can choose career in manufacturing, production, automobile maintenance, CAD and CAM, quality control, industrial organizations, power and energy, and entrepreneurship. Coming to diploma in electrical engineering or EE. So here we provide knowledge on electrical system, electrical machines, power systems, electronics, control systems, electrical installations, and industrial applications. And the student can choose career with power sector, electrical maintenance, manufacturing industries, electrical contracting, renewable energy, automation, electrical equipment industries, government and private organizations. Similarly, the diploma in computer science and engineering, we provide the teaching and training, learn programming, computer systems, databases, networking, web technologies, and emerging digital technologies. The student can choose career as software development, web development, networking, database management, IT support, cyber security, cloud computing, digital services, also entrepreneurship. Then the course duration, it is 3 years, and the first year is 1 year course instead of 2 semester. The second year starts with the third semester, second year is third and fourth, and the third year is fifth and sixth semester, total 6 semesters. The curriculum combines theory, laboratory, workshop, project, industrial exposure, and also skill development. The exact curriculum, examinations pattern, and academic regulations shall be prescribed by the SCT and VT. It is available with us and will be displaying in our website. Any student interested, they can request for a subcopy that will be also provided to them. Then eligibility for admission. For regular diploma admissions, candidates should satisfy the eligibility conditions prescribed by the Government of Odisha, DT&T, SCT and VT for the relevant academic session. Generally, candidates seeking admissions to first year diploma engineering programs should have passed the prescribed 10th standard examination or equivalent qualifications and satisfy the applicable eligibility requirements. Then admission eligibility, reservation, age, domicile selection, and counseling procedures are subject to the official notifications of the particular academic session. And for 2026-27, candidates should refer the official Odisha diploma admission notifications and SAMs and DTET instructions before applying the DT Odisha. Coming to the admission procedures, uh, we have the following 7 steps. In the step 1, visit the official Odisha Diploma Admissions SAMS portal, then register and complete the online application form. Third, enter personal, academic, and category informations. Fourth, select the preferred diploma institutions and branches. Fifth, participate in the centralized counseling or the admission process. Sixth, after allotment, report to the allotted institutions within the prescribed periods. And the last step, complete document verifications and admission formalities. And the official Odisha system provides institution-wise and branch-wise seat matrix for diploma admissions. We can refer the SAMS Odisha. For the lateral entry, diploma education also provides an important pathway to higher technical education. The eligible candidates may pursue diploma, and after completion of the diploma, they can go for the BTech through lateral entry admissions according to the rules notified by the competent admission authority. The Odisha SAM system separately publishes lateral entry seat information for diploma programs. This enables a student to build a career progressively. After 10th, a student can go for diploma, then he can go for employment, get a job, or after 10th, he can go for diploma. They can join the lateral entry BTech. After that, also, he can pursue the higher education, then he can go for the employment. Then coming the teaching learning approaches, our institute, RIT Diploma, because it is a 25-year-old and we are celebrating the silver jubilee, and we are pioneer in engineering, technology, teaching, and also training. So this RIT follows a balanced approach, combining classroom learning and practical experiences. Our approaches include interactive classroom teaching, laboratory-based learning, workshop practice, demonstrations, project-based learning, technical seminars, industrial visit. We provide high-speed internet and one-to-one computers for training and practical purpose for the students. Then expert lecturers, skill development programs, problem solving activities, team projects, digital learning resources, career guidance. And communication skills development, we have specially oral language, which is hardly available in and around Barampur. So this is to train the students. So this special software is designed by competent authority from Kerala and West Bengal. The objective is to transform students from learner into skilled technical professionals. In addition to this, we also provide a number of other activities for the total development of the students. We provide NCC, NSS, skill development programs under the IIT Bombay and spoken tutorials for the practical lab sessions. A laboratory and workshops, if you see the laboratory and workshops provided department wise. For civil engineering, we are having surveying lab, which will come in the second year onwards. Then the strength of materials laboratories, concrete technology laboratory, soil mechanics laboratory, environmental engineering laboratory, CAD laboratory, and civil engineering workshops. Similarly, for mechanical engineering, we have manufacturing and workshop facilities, thermal engineering laboratory, fluid mechanics laboratory, machine tool laboratory, CAD and CAM laboratory, metrology laboratory, and material testing laboratories. Coming to the electrical engineering, we have electrical machines laboratory, electrical measurement laboratory, power system laboratory, electronics laboratory, control system laboratory, electrical workshop, renewable energy, and power electronics facilities. Coming to the computer science and engineering, programming laboratories, computer network laboratories, database laboratory, web technology laboratory, operating system laboratory, software development laboratory, cyber security, and digital technology exposures. These are the things available. And in addition to that, we have central computing and digital learning platform. When modern diploma educations require digital competence, RIT provides access to computing and internet facilities to support programming, online learning, digital resources, technical documentation, software applications, research, presentations, online examinations, and e-learning. So these institutes' official information highlights central computing and Wi-Fi enabled entertainment facilities on campus. So next, coming to the library, the RIT library supports academic learning through access to engineering textbooks, reference books, competitive examination materials, journals, digital resources, e-learning resources, previous examination materials, project and technical resources. The objective is to promote self-learning, reading habits, and continuous professional development. For details, contact Mrs. Sugyan Mahanti, the librarian at RIT. Coming to the hostel and campus life, RIT provides campus facility intended to support students both for boys and girls, and hostel accommodation is available subject to availability and applicable institutional rules. And campus life includes technical activities, cultural programs, sports, yoga and wellness activities, and we have designed yoga and wellness a special syllabus and course structure with a proper textbook, and a military trained person is appointed for conducting yoga and wellness activities at least 2 hours a week, and usually it is in the Saturday morning session. Seminars and workshops regularly conducted, and student clubs are also formed. The students will be appealed through Google form to register on the various clubs. Then innovative activities, NCC, NSS related, we have the only college having both NCC and NSS in and around Barampur. Then we go for social services, annual functions, and also industry interactions. And coming to the training and placement, we have a dedicated training and placement cell. This works to improve the students' employability through aptitude training, technical preparation, communication skills, resume preparation, interview preparations, group discussions, industry interaction, career counseling, campus recruitment, entrepreneurship guidance. Then coming to the career opportunities for diploma students, there is a lot of career opportunity waiting for the students and regular students having good percentage and career throughout career, like manufacturing industries, construction companies, power and electrical industries, automobile industries, IT and IT-enabled services, infrastructure companies, telecom sector, government departments, public sector organizations, service industries, startups, and also self-employment. Then coming to the entrepreneurship and startup development, RIT encourages students to consider entrepreneurship as the alternative career pathway. And under the BPUT and other, we conduct a number of hackathon and also activities for the students. This possible area includes construction services, electrical contracting, automobile servicing, fabrication, CAD services, software services, digital services. repair and maintenance, renewable energy, manufacturing, and technical consultancy. From the industry exposure is an important component of diploma education. Students will be encouraged to participate in industrial visit, industrial tours, in-plant training, internship programs, industrial lectures, workshops, skill development programs, industrial projects, placement drives. The objective is to bridge the gap between classroom knowledge and workplace requirement. Coming to the student development, a number of activities will be focused here. First is the technical skill, engineering knowledge, practical skills and problem solving are coming under the technical skills, priority is given. Then coming to the communication skill, we have proper software and systems to support the English communications, and we have taken the subscription for oral software for training our students American accent, and the student, if they're interested, they can learn one foreign language on German. For the timing, we are giving German language. On request of the students, next year we can include other languages. Coming to the professional skills, teamwork, leadership, time management, and workplace disciplines is the important things. That skill we provide to our students here in the training. Digital skills, computing, internet, software, and emerging technologies. Human values, we focus on ethics, responsibility in the knowledge system, respect and social commitment. Coming to the scholarship and financial support, eligible students may avail themselves of scholarship of financial assistance available under Government of India, Government of Odisha schemes and other applicable provisions. Students should verify the current eligibility criteria, income limits, category requirement, and application procedure for the relevant academic year. We have dedicated staff for this. So the student can contact Mr. Patra in the head of the main office of RIT. He will guide the students. And then coming to the fee structure. So the fee structure, our fee structure is inclusive of transportations. It is 37,000 rupees per year. First year 37,000 rupees, second year 37,000 rupees, third year also 37,000 rupees. So all the four branches and all 3 years it is 37,000 rupees. Then coming to the transportations, I told you the free transportations is provided to all students from all the routes through which our RIT buses is flying. And the new routes added this year, that is Chikiti to RIT, Hinjilka to RIT, Digga Point to RIT also. For details, we can contact Professor Khetramohan Sahu. Then coming to the disciplinary and student responsibility, we have the discipline and essential provisional success. We focus on the students' attendance classes regularly. Students attend the classes regularly, maintain academic discipline, follow laboratory safety rules, maintain campus cleanliness, respect faculty, staff, and fellow students. And it is a 100% ragging-free campus. So for the last 25, there is no single case of ragging issue here in this college reported. Follow dress and identification requirement, the ID cards, avoid ragging and misconduct, maintain proper behavior inside and outside the campus, follow institutional rules and regulations. RIT follows applicable government and regulatory provisions regarding prevention of ragging and student safety. Coming to the career pathways, we are having the following four pathways. After the 10th, a student joining diploma, he can go to the join as a technician or a supervisor in industry, career, etc. The pathway 2 for higher education, after 10 students can join diploma. They go for BTech or BE in lateral entry and they can also pursue higher education. Pathway 3, after 10th, students can join diploma. After diploma, eligibility based government or public sector unit and technician recruitment they can join. Pathway 4, entrepreneurship after 10th and diploma. The students go for skill development and they can set up their own enterprises. Then why you choose RIT? See, there are 10 reasons to choose RIT. First, it is established technical education's institution. So we are leaders, not only pioneer, we are leaders in technical educations for the last 26 years. So it is convenient location at Golantara, Barampur. It is a spacious campus and experienced faculty and parental care. The faculty take care of the students like parents. And practical oriented technical education, departmental laboratories and workshops, library and digital learning facilities, hostel facilities in the campus for boys and in the town for girls, training and placement support, pathways to employment, entrepreneurship and higher education, RIT was established in 2001. It was affiliated to BPUT in 2002. Still then, it is leading the technical education in South Odisha. Then campus locations, as I told, it is the Roland Institute of Technology located at Sujabihar, Golantara, Brahmapur, that is pin number 761008, District Ganjam, Odisha, and India. And the campus is located near NS16 and is accessible from Brahmapur and surrounding areas. The institute's official contact page provides the current campus address and the admission contact details. Then coming to the important contact informations for admission cell, you can contact 7735 111 222, and our website is www.roland.ac.in/diploma/index.html. The students can send mail or feedback in the email ID info@roland.ac.in. The official RIT contact pages is currently listed. List the admission cell contact. So the website is shown like this. Then coming to the official admission information, the candidate should obtain the latest admission information from the Directorate of Technical Education, DTET Odisha, or SAMS Odisha Diploma Admission. So all the details provided here. One of the important disclaimer, the information content in this prospectus is intended for general information and admission promotions. Admission eligibility, reservation, fee structures, branch availability, intake, scholarship, examinations, affiliations, and other academic matters shall be governed by the rules and notifications of the Government of Odisha, DTET, SCT, VT, AICT, and other competent authorities. The final admissions shall be subject to approved intake and applications for the relevant academic sessions. For 2026-27, the Odisha admission document specifically states that admission should depend upon the applicable AICT approval and SCT and VT affiliations for 2026-27. That also can refer the SAMS Odisha. So let us grow with RIT. I wish all the best for the freshers, and I thank all the parents for their trust and confidence in us. And we promise the best service and all the best in the future endeavor to all the students. Thank you.